Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and hide all Facebook photos to only me settings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of things you can do. So you can change album privacy. You can also bulk change past post, and then you can also do something for the tagged photos that you are tagged in. So first, let's start by opening up our Facebook and heading into our profile. All you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your photos inside of your profile right over here. And now, as you can see, you have complete albums right over here. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and hold on an album. So for example, let's say profile pictures, and then you can also change the audience for each profile picture just by clicking on triple dot, click on edit privacy, and then simply go ahead and turn it to friends or even only me. It is as simple as that. So on the tagged photos, what you can do is simply go ahead and remove yourself from tags. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.